Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of AI-powered image-to-video animation tools. These tools can convert your still images or photos into stunning video animations. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at 4 different AI tools: LeiaPix AI, MyHeritage AI, Cutout Pro AI, and Kbar AI. Let's get started. First up is LeiaPix AI, a free image-to-video generator. To access their app, you will need to register using your Gmail or email account. You can find the registration link in the video description. Here are the steps to create an animation. Step 1. Open convert.leipix.com and upload your photo or image. Step 2. Set the animation parameters according to your preferences. You can adjust the animation length, animation style, amount of motion, focus point, and edge dilation. Step 3. Use the Advanced Editor menu to set detail, amplitude, and phase. Step 4. If you want to set a custom depth map, use the Depth Map menu option. Step 5. After you've set everything, click the Share button to open the Share and Download menu. You can download your video from there. Next, we have MyHeritage AI, an online genealogy platform that offers AI tools for its users. Before you can use their AI tools, make sure to register for an account on their website using your Gmail or Facebook account. You can find the link in the video description. To animate your photo using MyHeritage AI, first open their Deep Nostalgia menu or access it from the link in the video description. Upload your photo or image, and the AI tool will automatically animate it. Now let's try their AI video generator. Step 1. Open Deep Story AI from the Photos menu and select the Deep Story option. After opening, click Upload Photo and select your photo or image. Step 2. Fill in the person's detail information and click Next. Step 3. Now enter your text or just use the default text. Step 4. Select the voice option to change the voice accent and language. After you've set everything, click the Create Deep Story button and wait for the process to complete. Cutout Pro AI is not a free website, but you can use the free option with a watermark on it. To start, open cutout.pro, which you can find in the video description. Open the product menu and select the Photo Animator option. Click Upload Image and select your photo. You can now choose the animation type from the exemplar menu. Finally, we have Kbar AI, which is not a free tool, but new users get 30 free credits to use. To start using these AI tools, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Kbar AI website, which you can find in the video description, and register using your Gmail or email account. Step 2. Click the Create Your First Video button to open the Kbar AI editor page. Upload your photo or image and click the Continue to Prompt button. Step 3. In this step, you can describe what you want by typing in the prompt section. In this video, I will use their built-in prompt and settings. Select your desired object or type your own prompt in the subject input section. Step 4. Click the Continue button to open the Style menu. Select your desired style, and you can also type your own prompt in the Style input section. Step 5. Click Continue to Settings button and set your duration. In free mode, we can only generate a maximum of 10 seconds per video. Select the Evolve value. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating your AI video animation.